Do you have flying ants? They aren't just ordinary ants with wings. They need special attention. Flying ants, or the reproductives of ant colonies, are not a unique species but play a vital role in ant life. To start, inspect your home thoroughly. Check indoors and out, focusing on damp areas or where there's wood. Flying ants often colonize rafters, porches, windowsills, and leaky plumbing areas. Find their nest to eliminate them effectively. They could be in your walls or under the house. Seal off entry points with silicone caulk to prevent more ants from entering your home. Eliminate food waste, a major attractant for flying ants. Store food properly to deter them. Prepare a borax trap. Start by measuring half a cup of borax. Now, add a half cup of sugar to the borax. It attracts the ants. Add a little of the mixture in hidden spots where ants may enter. Use caution around pets and children. Quickly remove flying ants with a vacuum cleaner, especially if they're scattered around. Sticky tape traps are practical too. Just place them where you see flying ants. A flying ant spray also works well. Start with 1 cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid soap to the water. Finish by adding 10 drops of peppermint oil for a strong scent. Shake and spritz where needed to get rid of pesky flying ants. For another solution, start by measuring out a half cup of baking soda. Combine the baking soda with an equal amount of powdered sugar. Add a tablespoon of this mixture wherever you find flying ants.
If you found our ideas helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about getting rid of ants, and share it with your friends who might like it too. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more super home care tips.